Hello! It's been a while since we've made a video in the garden. I might be a bit rusty. Let's see how we go. You may have already pruned your hydrangeas this year, but if you haven't, then I'm just in time to show you how to turn one beautiful mophead or macrophylla hydrangea into multiple hydrangeas. We're going to propagate some hardwood cuttings. Firm woody stems like this one make perfect propagation material, and the process is very simple. The first thing you need to do is to remove any leaves, then to make sure that you have 3 leaf nodes on the stem like these ones. You cut just below the bottom stem because that is where the roots are going to grow from. Stem needs to be at least 15 centimetres long. Is that 15 centimetres? If you have it, the next step would be to dip the stem into some rooting hormone powder. That will encourage the roots to grow. I don't have any of that, but I have some honey. That'll work just as well. Dip the stem into the honey, like that. Make a hole into your propagating mix. Gently place it into the mix, firm it up, and repeat the process. I've managed to fit 8 stems into this pot. I'm now watering it in well. Then I'm going to cover it with one of my white grow cones, which is going to act as a glass house. Plastic bag would be a perfect alternative. I've now placed this into the garden away from direct sunlight. I need to remember to water them, and in about 3 months' time I'll have 8 little hydrangeas that I can plant out into the garden. I've just given some of my ancient hydrangeas a really hard prune because they were getting long and tall and leggy, so there's every chance that some of them may not survive. However, if that is the case, I've got these babies to replace them. So you can see now how incredibly easy it is to grow multiple plants from just one. I hope you give it a try, and I would love to hear how you go. Bye.